In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emailing newsletter in ActiveCampaign. We're going to walk through building a simple, reliable automation that sends your newsletter on a schedule without you having to log in and manually send it every time. By the end, you'll have an automation that runs on its own, either weekly or monthly, depending on what you choose. First, inside your ActiveCampaign account, go to the Automations section. Look for the option to create a new automation and then choose to start from scratch. This tells ActiveCampaign that you want full control over how this automation behaves. When you see the prompt, go ahead and continue so you land on the blank automation canvas. Next, we need to set up the schedule that will trigger your newsletter. At the top of the canvas, choose to add a start trigger. From the list of triggers, select Specific Date. For the date, choose the current date. This might feel a little strange, but the important part is that we're going to tell ActiveCampaign to repeat this automation. Make sure you check the option to repeat the automation, then choose whether you want it to run weekly or monthly. For a typical newsletter, weekly is great if you send updates often, while monthly works better for roundups or longer content. When you're done, click to add the start, and your schedule trigger is in place. Now let's connect the actual newsletter email. On the automation canvas, click the plus icon to add a new action. From the options, go to Sending Options and choose Send an Email. Select Create a New Email. This will open the email designer. In the designer, choose a template that matches your branding and the kind of newsletter you want to send. You can customize the subject line, text, images, and links here. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save and Exit so the email is attached to your automation. To control the timing between each run, add a wait step after the email. Click the plus icon again, go to Conditions and Workflow, and choose Wait. Select Wait for a specified period of time, then set the duration you want. This can help space out actions if you plan to build on this automation later. When you've set the duration, click Save. Finally, give your automation a clear name at the top left so you can recognize it later, and then switch the automation toggle in the top right to active. Once it's active, your newsletter will go out automatically on the schedule you defined.